Aft doors armed and cross-checked. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, go ahead and make sure cell phones are in airplane mode. Laptops have to be stowed for takeoff and landing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a real quick flight, 42 minutes gate to gate. So if you can do us a huge favor and have your drink order in mind, coupons ready, credit card ready. It's going to be bouncy coming out of here. It's a little turbulent. It'll be a little turbulent going into Albuquerque, so that's going to cut our time down even shorter. So if you could have your drink order in mind, we'd certainly appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you direct your attention to your flight attendants, we'll go ahead and point out our safety features. In order to fasten your seatbelt, you just slide the flight portion into the buckle, unfasten, lift up on the latch, it will release. Seatbelt should be tight and low across your hips. We have 2 forward exits, 2 removable over the wing window exits, and 2 exits in the back. Your exits are marked red and white signs located above lighting on the floor of the aisle. Seat back pocket, you'll find emergency information card. Please take time now to read this over. And in the unlikely event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under the seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Open the container, remove the pouch. Open the pouch, remove the vest. Place it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle in front, and pull the tight. Once outside the aircraft, you'll inflate the vest by pulling down the red tab or to manually inflate, pull into the tube at the shoulder. We'll also have life vests located in the ceiling, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. For company by now, we're making sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs are forward, tray tables in their upright locked position, carry-on luggage under the seat on an overhead bin. Reminder, it is a non-smoking flight. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, dismantling, destroying the smoke detectors in either lavatory. Smoking is never permitted at any time in any airplane lavatory. And the FAA requires you comply with the lighted passenger signs and the posted placards that are located throughout the cabin. Your cell phone should be in airplane mode. Laptop stowed for takeoff and landing, please. It is necessary and common procedure rebriefing the oxygen equipment. We never anticipate a change in our cabin pressure should it occur. Floor mask appeared automatically overhead. Pull down the mask till the tubing is fully extended. This activates the flow of oxygen. Place your mask over your nose and mouth. Breathe normally until further advised by an informed crew member. If you are traveling with children, please place the mask over your nose and mouth first. Reach out, pull down additional mask for your child. We do need to inform you the bag will not inflate, but you're receiving oxygen. Looks like we have all the rules out of the way. We'd like everyone to sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. And we've been clear for departure. your Southwest magazine, the brochure, and the seatback pocket for login information and cost. Seatbelt sign is on. Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, please.